Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach you how to draw this bird step by step easily and shade it easily. So let's see. This before drawing any object or bird or animal, first try to simplify the drawing into some basic shapes. So you can see this part of the bird is looking like a circle, and this part is looking like a small circle. This part looks like a big circle. So how far is this head circle from this body circle? That we need to observe. And how long is the neck? How long is the beak? Where is the eyes? Where are the, how tall are the legs? All these things we need to observe. So let's see how to draw this. So first, for the body part, let's draw a circle here. See, suppose here the head is here. So we draw a circle here. So I have taken HB pencil and draw very lightly a small circle for your reference for the head part. See, this head is here. If it is a straight line, see the body is here. So how far it is? Little bit far. This much far. So that far, that distance we will leave. Suppose here, till here the head will come. So this much far I will leave, and here I am going to draw the body part of the bird. So another circle here. So these will help you, guide you in drawing the bird in correct proportion and easily, fastly. So this is the first step. Second thing is we have to see the legs. Where are the knees? So these are the knees. So we draw the knees here, just below the body part. So here is one knee, one more knee is over here, little down, because it's bent, that's why. Then after this step we need to build on the drawing, and see how I am doing it. We can erase the inside part of the circle, we don't need it anymore. Here also we can erase this part of the circle. Just we have to build on these reference shapes, build the drawing on these reference shapes. And if you feel anything needs to be erased, you can erase. This is the tail part, which is here till here. Now you can erase this part of the circle. Here, from here, these are the few hair or the feather part of the bird. The other leg is above this leg. This leg is above this, so we can't see this part of the leg. So we draw it above it. Draw very lightly in the beginning. If you like the shapes and if you think and if you feel that it's exactly same as the original picture, then you can darken the outline and the inside details part. So first we need to lay down the outline of the bird properly. This is how is the bird's beak. You see now the bird's outer line is ready. So this is the part 1 of the video. I will tell you the shading part in the second part of the video.